Hey guys, welcome back to Pelux Industry. Today we're going to build a beginner simple Arduino project using Arduino Uno and some other few components. So this project is going to be about making simple melody using a buzzer. And without further ado, let's get started. We are going to be needing very few components for this project. We're going to be needing the Arduino Uno and the buzzer. So this is the wiring setup I'm going to be using for this project. As you can see, the red wire on the buzzer is going to digital pin 8 on the Arduino Uno, and the black wire on the buzzer is going to GND on the Arduino Uno. Just take your time and look at this setup to build your own. So this is my wiring setup, and I'm going to be plugging into the system to upload the code. So this is the code we're going to be using for this project. You can as well check under the description of this video to see the full code. After you must have uploaded the code, you should now be able to hear the buzzer making sweet melodies. By the way, this sound is mega as a little lamp. I think everybody should know that. So enjoy, my bro. So that's it for this video. If you have any question, you can put it under the comment section, and you can as well check out my other Arduino projects. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn your notification bell so you won't miss my next project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.